Welcome my activity intonation. David declares, Jehovah is my shepherd. Psalm of David. Jehovah is my shepherd. I will not miss anything. In places and delicate pasture beside still word will shepherd me. It will comfort my soul. He will guide my by saying, Desert for blood. Although it was invited of shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you will be with me. Your rod and your staff will give me an carefree German. You prepare a table in front of my in the present of my injuries. You annoy my heart with oil. My cup is overflowing. Certainly, God and mercy will follow me all the days no of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord for those days.